Welcome to NinjaTrader Zen, your AI coding assistant for building trading strategies, indicators, dashboards, and risk management tools without any coding experience. Zen for NinjaTrader allows you to create strategies, you can build indicators, you can work on existing strategies, you can work on existing indicators, you can convert strategies or convert indicators, you can analyze your backtest. It also allows you to verify your requirements against the code base. So I'll go ahead and just show you different features of this platform. So you've got the models that you can choose. Now you've got GPT Sol Codex, called Opus, called Sonnet. So we use the latest models that come out monthly. So every month we update the models. We don't just pick any models. We only pick the models that are suitable for creating NinjaScript strategies or indicators. So it's not just any model that's out there at the moment. I'll go ahead and give you a quick demonstration of building strategy. I'm going to put these requirements in here. I click send. Now Zen will actually go ahead and actually build the strategy based on these requirements. And as you can see, it's come back with the source code. So some useful features when it comes back is you can copy the code, download the CS file. You can download the add-on and install it straight into NinjaTrader. You can run build checks. There's no bugs. You can verify your requirements. So if I go ahead and click download add-on, it tells me I need to verify the build. I click build check. It'll go ahead and actually verify the build for me. That's gone ahead and actually told me that there's no bugs, so I can go ahead and download the algo file now. Sorry, the algo file, the add-on, and the add-on's downloaded. I can install that directly into NinjaTrader and start using it immediately. If for any reason there was some errors in the code, Zen will also allow you to fix the errors. So if you have errors, they get auto-fixed. So again, this is a very useful feature. If you're building the strategy, whatever you're building, and there's some bugs, it auto-fixes them for you, then downloads the add-on and installs straight into NinjaTrader. Also included in Zen is the ability to do a run a prompt builder. Now, a prompt builder will actually create the prompts that you're going to use to create your strategy or indicator using Zen. So if a user typed in a very vague requirements like build a grid head strategy, if I click send now, it comes up with a prompt builder. Now, a prompt builder will tell you that there's too many requirements to add it in here. It says the clarification of grid space and entry logic and all the rest. You can build it anyway. You can exit and edit the prompt, or you can plan the prompt builder. I'm going to go ahead and quickly show you this. Now let's come back and asks, to clarify the actual requirements for this strategy. So it's asking for grid spacing, hedge trigger, and hedge direction. You then put in your requirements that you're required to actually build it. So if you're not sure, you can actually let Zen suggest the baseline answers. That'll go ahead and actually create the answers for you. And as you can see, it's actually pre-filled in the values here. You can then edit them if you want to change them. And once you're happy, you can go ahead and create the build plan. So here we go, this is a build plan. So as you can see, Zen has actually created your requirements for you. Again, if you scroll down and read all the requirements, you can edit them as you go along, and you can actually update them and feed the correct ones into Zen. So one of the biggest things with working with AI models is actually telling the AI model exactly what you want. So you don't get junk out, you don't get bugs or errors, and you get exactly what you want. Later on, you can validate the requirements against the code base to make sure there's no errors. And with Prompt Builder, you can start with prompt 1, you click send, that'll go ahead now and actually create the first iteration of your strategy or project. Let's come back now with the code for your first iteration. As you can see, it's running a build check, and it's automatically checked if there's any bugs in the code, and it's come back as passed. Again, you can download the add-on now. You can install that into NinjaTrader, give it a quick test against the requirements for the first prompt, and then you can go ahead and install the second prompt and actually continue from there. You do this for all 5 prompts until you're complete. Once it's complete, you actually then can deploy it to NinjaTrader and start using it for trading. But I suggest that you go through each prompt individually, load it into NinjaTrader, make sure that the requirements match what you want, and you can test it as you go along. Okay, the second prompt's come back as passed, and what you can do now is verify the requirements. So this has got all the prompt requirements in here. You can check this against the code base and run this to make sure it works, because we've only done 2 prompts. There's going to be a lot of features missing, so it'll come back and tell you what's missing. This is a very useful feature to verify your requirements. I'll give this a quick run. It's going to now audit your code. Okay, it's come back and audited the code, and again, it's only got 40% overall match because we didn't finish all the other prompts. So down here, it tells you all the features that are missing, things that work, things that don't work, and you can repair the missing requirements just by clicking on here, but I suggest you go through your prompt builder. If you weren't using prompt builder and you're just typing in by hand your requirements, again, this is very useful to do missing requirements from here. To make sure that you never lose your code as you're working, we've got projects. Projects automatically saves your code as you go along, and every time you ask for a change, it actually creates a history. So it creates a history here that you can actually make any changes as you go along. If I click from one I used previously, say for example this one, I go to history, it's got all the history of the versions previously, and you can restore to a previous version of the history. This is a very useful feature to make sure you never lose all your code. I'm going to clear the task. Another feature of Zen, which is very good, is the analyze backtest. Now you can actually run your strategy into NinjaTrader, and then NinjaTrader creates a report. From that report, you can load in your strategy summary of the strategy that's been backtested. You analyze the results. Now Zen will tell you things that you need to do to improve your strategy. And it's come back, and if you scroll to the top, it's giving you a backtest performance report. You can save this report as a PDF, and it'll give you performance, key findings, things you need to do, risks and stuff like that. So you're using AI to analyze your strategy summary and give you information on how to improve it. So the cost of Zen is a pay-as-you-go system, so it's not a subscription. You don't have to pay a monthly subscription or anything like that. You just top up when you want to use it. You can top up for as little as £1, and once it's done, you can actually start using Zen. And once that's run out, if you don't need to use it anymore, you don't have to use it. So if and when you want to start using it for building projects, you just top up and you could go along like that. So again, no subscription model, pay-as-you-go, and it's very easy to use. Okay, that's the end of the video. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps. And thanks very much. I hope you get to use Zen. To access it, you just go to ninjatrader.clickalgo.com and you can start using it today. And you get £5 worth of free credit to actually give it a test drive.